Hi everyone, this is Anna from HotOptionBabe.com. I have a chart of the US dollar cash futures index up on the screen. I just wanted to go over it because it normally runs inverse to the equity market. As equities have been going higher, you can see the dollar has been taking a little bit of a beating here. We had a high of 88.70. Let me pull up the hourly. Okay, let's go back to this area here. At the end of August, we had a high of 83.559. This past week, we had a low of 80.865. Now, we have bounced off those lows and retraced 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. The hourly stochastics are a little bit in the overbought territory, and the oscillator is still showing a buy signal, because if you go to the daily, you can see that we still have room to run up. Now, as in the equity market, we are at a very critical spot. We can go either way. It's about 50-50. On the S&P 500, we're at the upper range. We have a bull flag on the daily, but we have a minor bear flag on the shorter time frame. That happened a few days last week. But the dollar is in the same predicament. Now, we could break down and go down to this next support area of around 78, or we could keep going back up. It's just right now we're at a very, I call it do or die stage for the markets. Either we're going to break out of this range and go up, or we're going to break down and retrace. Now, we got a lot of stuff coming out this week. Obama has a town hall meeting, which is normally bullish for the markets. It depends on what he says. If he's going to say that he extends the Bush tax cuts, you can expect that we're going to break out and move up. If he holds his stance and says that he's not going to extend the Bush tax cuts for anyone other than people making under $250,000, the market's probably going to be a bit disappointed. Then we had the Fed on Tuesday. So basically, we're going to be probably flat Monday, Tuesday, and then we're going to see the real volume come in probably on Wednesday. So keep an eye on both the SPX and the DXY, as well as the Euro, and you will get some indications of what's going to happen. But we're chock full of economic news coming out. There's weekly housing starts, among other things. So it's going to be an exciting week. Last week was quite boring. We did nothing but go sideways. Now, normally that would say that was bullish because there was sideways consolidation after a strong up move. But we're at that upper end of the range, which takes out the probability that absolutely is going to happen. So that takes down the probability some that we could just roll over. So we're going to have to keep our eye peeled. We got some earnings starting. Earnings quarter has started, so we're going to get some fun option plays out of that. I look forward to seeing you on the blog and in the lounge. Have a great weekend.